Tere, hello, and welcome back to another video. This video is also a bit different because we are going to be dealing with this. We're going to be fitting something new, and that something new is this baby. So let's go, bike build. Vana kala siin juba. So today we're here at Kauplus Rattapood in Laagri, and we're going to be replacing this frame with this one. And the point of that is this frame is bigger, so we're gonna sizing up the bike a little bit. Yeah, this frame is 9 inches high and 21.25 top tube, and this one is 21.4 top tube and 9.5. This is a BSD Safari frame. I don't know which volume it is. Is it volume 3, 4? I really don't know. So yeah, let's take this bike apart and let's put this on. What's up? First off, this is pretty much already loose for transportation reasons. Boom. Coming apart real quick. Yuck. Mikk on minu oma. Pro värk, vaata. Then you can hear the yapping. Not very long. Ossa perse, kes see kurat selle kinni keeras? Joh, ei tea. Hops. Didn't eat enough porridge this morning. Oh. Alrighty. Didn't need that anyway. Should we do a little bit of a bike check as we go as well? Maybe when we assemble it again, then it will be more interesting. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yes, the producer says yes. We should have timed this, how quick it will be. 8 mil. Oops. No, these are all 6s. See või? See on 6-ne vist. Jah. Aata aga. Siin on 9-ne. Ulala. Suraks. Now that man ate his porridge this morning. Got torque. Everything is so shitty. Blech. Alright. Bam. That is coming off pretty easily. Nice. Blech. And here we have it. The bike is pretty much taken apart. Now I can remove the bearings and continue. If anyone wants this frame, it's for sale. 150 bucks and it's yours. Or best offer. I can't get the bearing out. Yeah. Damn. So how the hell do we use it?
You need to put this
inside of it,
and then you do like a boom boom.
So with this, yes.
I think you have to find the measurement correct. How to use, yes.
You yes, and you do.
Not happening.
Do you have bottom brackets? You have? Fuck the old bottom bracket, let's put a new one in. So, luckily, we're in a bike shop, so we have fresh bottom brackets. Don't have to mess with the old ones of getting them out. And I believe we have a special tool for installation, right? So we don't have to hammer them and mess up the bearings.
Yes.
All right. Let's see what we have here.
Thank you.
And just size it up. Assembly based.
I think carbon.
Butter.
This one.
Assembly paste pro. Because we're big professionals here. I'll just do it nastily.
You need some gloves, maybe.
Yeah, we're past that. I rushed too quickly. So, ciao.
Ciao.
So right now we're one with the bike. Should I put something in here as well?
Yes.
The same? Why not?
Also in the seat gloves.
Yeah, I already saw that it has some corrosion in there. Some surface rust. Lube this baby up! Epic artsy shots! Alright, I think...
The bike look slow-mo.
Gonna get cancelled on YouTube. Alright, we are lubed up. So let's try this new fancy tool and avoid hammering. Let's make our lives easier. Damn, this thing's a life changer. So easy. Bottom bracket is in, so let's put cranks.
Little monster.
Woo! Yes, left-hand drive. Oh yeah, freshy. Actually, pretty good clearance. Is it straight? I think so. Let's check it up. How's the clearance on that? Should we... let's take the spacer away, I think. Let's just leave the one that protects the bearings. The dust shield or whatever. Yep. Now we can talk about the parts that are going on as well. So starting with the biggest part, BSD Safari frame. I have never had a BSD frame before, so it's gonna be fun to try this out. This is the Reed Stark signature frame. As I mentioned before, 21.4 top tube, 13 rear end, I think. Yeah, should be good. And 9.5 seat tube. Yes, I think so, yes. Fiend bottom bracket, Eclat guarded sprocket, I don't remember the name of it. Some sort of 3-spoke sprocket with 28 teeth, BSD cranks, 165s, and my favorite pedals, Eclat pedals, Seeker, I don't remember the name. I'll edit the name of these parts. These pedals are nice because it doesn't have this little part in the middle. You only tighten with the Allen key, so makes it nice with the crank arms, as you can see.
So you can land easily better on the cranks.
Exactly, because I am a park rat and I do lots of tail whips. So let's move on to the next part. Let's add some visual parts. Federal seat. Alright, good. Let's tighten that up. Like Pal told me, today's trend is you have to have some seat posts. So good fistful of seat posts. I think that's straight enough.
This gap goes bigger by the age.
Exactly. So in the future it will be like here. Gonna reuse lots of the parts because I'm cheap.
And it's better for the environment.
Exactly. But luckily we were in the bike shop and this bike got a new bottom brackets, so that's nice. Nice to have with new stuff. So this goes here. Yep. Now we have matching bearings, Fiend here and Fiend over here as well. Then we have the crown race somewhere over here, or compression ring, or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know the terms. But this is what tightens it up. If you don't have this, you're gonna have a bad time. Ask me how I know.
By experience.
Yeah, exactly. Let's clean up this as well. A little bit. So as I said before, Fiend headset. And damn, this bike is gonna be lots of BSD parts. BSD fork, Jonesin. It has a steeper offset for some nose wheelies and hang fives. Alrighty. What the hell? Ah, this frame has a bigger thing. So no spacer. That's how we're gonna run it. Jesus Christ. Bolts flying all over the place. So that's...
This looks unsafe.
Yep, that'll do. Weight reduction. I was thinking about it, how the hell will this blue and green look, but I think it looks quite interesting. Not as bad as I thought. So now let's put the chain back on. Hopefully it is the right length right away. Maybe we'll get lucky on that. Full slammed. I need to make it shorter, I think. That way we can slam it. Can we slam it more? I think yes. That's what I need off. So let's take it off.
So you will have even shorter.
Yeah.
Backend.
So I will go.
Maybe you're gonna hit your heels on the back.
We're gonna see. Shorter chainstay means easier hard 180s, but the downside is when you're doing park stuff, it's easier to loop out on the airs. So it needs to be like this. Over here, now we have room to work on it. Right, we're in there. Is it too short? Nah, I think it's good. But I think we're good.
On peal,
jah?
Oh man.
Ja saab, then we have lots of room for tensioning it as well.
That's pretty good.
And it should crank grip as well.
But you can't join the loose chain gang. Oh, you can? Almost.
I like it when it's loose, but not loose that it hits the frame. That's what makes me, in my mind, like, this bike is fucked. But I do like it a bit on the looser side, not tight. Let's go on with the bike check. Subrosa stem. Don't really know the specs on it. That's pretty fresh. That was the freshest part of the bike. Then we have some bars, Eclat 10-inch 4-piece bars.
These look like
They are very nasty.
they have a disease.
That's what happens when you loop out on hang fives and you store your bike in the winter in the shed. So I'm kind of worried about them, yeah, because if you look under here, it's pretty bad.
It looks like terminal.
Yeah, should get new bars. And on the wheels, we have Cinema rims, Cult Free Ghoster, Cinema overhop guards, and some Federal 4.5 pegs. And on the front, we have Cinema wheel, front hub with the rim, also 4.5 pegs, and Eclat Mirage tires, which in my opinion are the best tires ever. The bike is almost together now. That all that's left to do is clean it a bit and tighten everything. Yeah. Voila. The steed. I like to do this on the floor. Okay, we have a bike. Damn, these boots don't have any grip. Let's try bar spin. In-shop bar spin. Ready? Oh. New steed. Looks cool. Nice to have some color on the bike again and not just blacked out. So yeah, the next clips we're gonna go to Viimsi and we're gonna properly test this bike out and see what it can do and see what I still can do. Because the last time I rode it was autumn, so it's gonna be some rusty bike riding. So yeah, cue to the next clips. So we have made it to the skate park, testing out the new frame. It is working pretty nicely, and let's see if we can get a one bang grip right away.
Gonna find out.
Blew it. Gotta try again. I haven't been riding since the autumn, so everything is really sloppy. It's like, let's keep going. ass. That's better.
kahe patsuga.